If you watched my previous videos, you should have a better idea about new OEL models from Sony. The entry-level OLED A84L and all-in-one soundbar HT-S2000. But if you're still wondering why these would be great products for our customers, then let me break it down for you one more time. Starting with the TV, first OLED model in their lineup, but it shows off its premium features from start and through, inside and out. It looks great with its solid and minimalistic design, whether it's on the wall or on a TV unit fixed with multi-position metal feet. Any content you'll throw at it, it will handle like a pro. Whether it's a movie, daily news catch-up, or some gaming, every scene will be processed to look at its best and retain true to lifelike looks. It will help you hear more and enjoy more details in each track of your favorite shows and morning bangers from the music platform of your choice, compliments from Google's platform, and for those eco-conscious, there is a little extra control added too. So overall, A84L surprised me at every step of my testing, and it was a very positive journey. It's fast, fluid, solid, premium TV that will make every minute you're looking at it, or rather the content on the screen, an absolute joy. But remember, everything can be expanded to make the cinematic experience better. In this case, the TV sidekick could be HT-S2000, triple channel with dual subwoofer soundbar. It's like Batman and Robin, both great on their own, but put them together and you'll get an explosive duo. That's because no matter how expensive the TV is, the audio will always be better with a dedicated audio unit. HT-S2000 is easy to control, and you can always tweak it further with additional smart app. But its main purpose is it adds so much more detail and depth to every sound it reproduces, and it'll make sure that all of it sounds better than the original. With Sony's own developed technologies, the soundbar upscales every track, even older content, and upmixes them, making music sound better and movies wrapping you with virtual surround sound. And don't forget, you can add extra speakers to create real surround sound as well. Both of these products complement each other in their unique ways, and you can be sure you're getting a premium experience from them. I hope you enjoyed my videos and it wasn't a waste of your time. That would be horrible. Thanks. Bye.